Ang pangatlo kong suggestion is breadwinner should never be obligated to take care of the lazy or tinatawag nating batugan, especially those na merong bisyo. It is never your responsibility. In fact, the Bible teaches about this. Let me just read for you 2 Thessalonians chapter 3 verse 10. Sabi ni Paul doon, "For even when we were with you, we used to give you this order. If anyone is not willing to work, he must not eat." The Bible tells us to help the poor, never the lazy. Ang ibig sabihin ng to help the poor, yung bang ginawa niya responsibility niya, yung nagtrabaho siya, and kaso nagkaroon ng calamity, naghirap siya, tulungan natin yon. Pero a person who is not willing to work is only poor because of his laziness.